This model kit review is of the X-Wing Starfighter, and this is from the Star Wars movie series, and it's made by Bandai. I don't see any dimensions anywhere, but here's some details about the X-Wing. This is the painting and sticker guide. Unfortunately, these are stickers and not decals. Don't really see anything else. Let's have a look inside. It's quite a small little kit. Okay, so we have a number of sprues. Here's the top of the X-Wing fighter, and it looks like that's our little R2-D2. We've got our guns here, and very nicely molded with a great level of detail. This looks like this is the bottom and probably the back, with tremendous detail. And you hear the other guns. We have our wings. It looks like they're going to be rotating around this central point here, so they can open and close. And then engine parts here. Not sure what that's for. This might be... that might be part of the guns. Let's have a look. Here's the other side of the wing. Tremendous level of detail. More engines. Yeah, probably part of the guns, looks like. But as you can see, it's just great detail there. And then here we have a stand, and it'll go on the stand. Then we have stickers. Unfortunately, not decals. Don't really like stickers, but that's what you get. Here are the instructions. So we start off with one wing there, and then we build the other wing, put our engines in there, and then the two wings go together so they can move up and down like that. And then you put the body on, as well as the guns and the back of the body, or the fuselage. Put the stand together, and then there it is. So, great level of detail as expected from Bandai models. Pretty small. I just wish it had decals.